Hey guys, so I am making a video about something oddly strange. So all you'll need is an anvil and a name tag. Now just name this Dinner Boon. Now let's go find an animal. Dinner bones change things upside down, right? Like this. Now, this will be something stranger. So, last summon J with a giant. Giant, and he spawned a giant zombie and it's in a headstand. Wonder why? Yeah. I think, nope, not the head is a spot. Yeah. And also there is actually another thing. You guys may know this. J with an underscore. Go over to a sheep or this sheep. J will make it a rainbow. Now, those things are pretty cool, so thank you for watching. Yeah, this was a very, very short video. I'm gonna change some back, so you don't need to be heard. So, thank you guys for watching, and I see you later. I just want to do this one more time. See you later. Wait. Bye. Lol.